Hello and welcome to the VibrisBots CLI guide. Today I'll be showing you how to set up your CLI folder and giving you tips and tricks on how to cop all the exclusive items. So to get started, head over to the Vibris GUI. Come over to whatever foot site you'll be using because this only works on foot sites. To get keyword, just put in your SKU. This only works with proxy killer. Put in whatever size you want. I'll be running 5 test tasks. For proxies, don't add any. For delays, don't touch anything. Delays aren't needed. Proxies will be added later. I'll add in my profile now. Alright, so to make this easier for you guys, come up here. So once you make all your tasks, come up here to this cloud with the blue arrow, up arrow. And then this part will make it really easy for you in the end. Come over to click the desktop, name your tasks, and then save. I already have one pre-made, so I won't be using that. I won't be creating a new one. And then once you do that, come over to your CLI file, go to new item, create a text file called proxies, create another text file called key, and create another one called webhook. So basically in these files, you're going to open this and say this is my key. Make sure there's no space before. Control S to save it, to save the file, and then you're good there. And then do the same thing for your webhook and do the same thing for your proxies. I'm going to do that for mine now. Alright, so once you have everything copy and pasted and all these that I mentioned, just click the Vibris CLI. It'll pop up like this and it'll verify your key. If it says that your key is not able to be like verified or something like that, just head over to the Vibris reset key channel and reset your key and try it again. Next, to begin, go to import settings. It's going to ask you, do you want to add task? Yes. Enter your task. So this is the easy part from here. You're just going to be taking your task file that you created and put on your desktop and just click and dragging it in here and it'll add it for you. It will not pop that up. It would say my tasks are added. Do you want to add proxies? Yes. Next, just click and drag the proxy in, enter, yes. And then do you want to add webhook? Press yes, click and drag in, and it'll tell you your number of tasks and the number of processes. Start task, yes, and you're all good to go. After that, it'll tell you all that. As you can see, I'm getting a lot of failed for the fact that these are test tasks, and it's just going to keep running until you get checkouts. So, if you follow this guide closely and you listen to everything I said, this should be smooth. If you still run into problems, please make a ticket or at me in chat or Prada or any of the staff. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for all the other videos. One thing I should add is since this is a prototype CLI, there's a lot of functions that are still missing, so there's no stop button. So to stop tasks, just exit out the program and you're all good. So once you do that, you're all good. Don't have any to worry about anything else. And I'll see you guys on the next video.